So I'm about to pull up on them right now. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. Happy Saturday. So my mom just came over because she's gonna watch the girls while Drew and I go on a day date. So she just went upstairs. So once she gets up, he's gonna come down, and then we are hitting the town. Happy Monday, everyone. Today is the day the new garage door gets installed. Ow! Alright, the man doing this is loud, sorry, I'm gonna roll this out. So the man taking the garage door off said that the wood panels underneath the sides where he took the siding part off were bad and need to be replaced. Those panels have been there since the house was built. So he was like, I could leave it and then fix it later on, which I don't want to do. I'd rather be done now and done right. So I'm going to the store right now to get 2 8-foot 2x4s. And today's a day where the sun is sunning, okay? I love it. So I just checked on the garage and he's almost done and I'm hyped. So while he's finishing up, I'm gonna show you guys the backyard because we've been planting flowers and it looks so pretty. Let me show you. It's so beautiful. And we finally have the nice weather that we've all been wanting. So today's a good day. It's a good day, a good day. Hey guys! We are headed to a Hush Puppies preview. They're showcasing their new collection, what they have. And I'm excited to see. I know they're doing customization. They asked me my shoe size, so I think I'm gonna get me some custom Hush Puppies. Don't know what they're gonna look like, but they custom. Okay, everybody loves custom. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and show you some quick snippets of what's happening in there. So I just picked Annie up from school, and I forgot to tell y'all that Annie got a new phone watch the other day. She's been saying that she wants a phone. I was like, I'm not getting you a phone. There's no reason for you to have a phone. You're 5 and you're always with me. It's no reason to have a phone. But I did like the fact that certain things or certain devices can track where the kids are. So I ended up getting a phone watch. Now with the phone watch, she can call, but it's only to people that I add to the contacts. So she could call, she can be tracked and all that. So, oh, you're not even gonna let me turn? Thank you. So she's been making so many calls. The first time she had the thing, she made 47 calls in less than 5 hours.
No, it's just calm. Well, I'm the queen of the jungle. Ha 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 ha. What's up, bro? What are you doing, bro? I'm not a bro. Oh. How are you doing? I'm great too.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. How you doing?
So that's what we've been dealing with. Annie, what do you think of your phone?
It's so beautiful.
So also, the garage door is done, and I have to show y'all the garage door. It is nice.
Yeah, and I can make messages, and I already know.
Yeah, she could send like
Hello,
text messages. It's pre-written messages she can send. But yeah, so the garage door, they called and said it's done. They finished when I wasn't home. So I'm about to pull up on them right now. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. Oh my God, the garage door is amazing. Amazing. Ah! Black is just so sleek. I gotta get rid of that white around the edge. But this looks amazing. Hey guys, good morning. True and I just parked. We are downtown. We are meeting Drew for lunch. Morning it was pouring rain and I was like, no, no. I hate when I have to go somewhere and it's pouring rain, but luckily it stopped, so now it's just humid and misty out and nasty, but it's not raining, so whatever. But yeah, so I'm excited to eat. I feel like moms always need to take care of themselves, make time to, you know, do something for just them, but even though True's with us, it's still, you know, going out. So I got Jazzy just to go out. Hey, Chewy. Y'all, Annie is gonna murder me. If she sees pictures that we went to eat without her, she's gonna lose her shit. You know, you can't go anywhere without her because she will be pissed, okay? She has to go everywhere, no matter what. If she's at school, you better come pick her up and take her because she's gonna flip.
When I came in the house and my mommy and dad just packed up for vacation, and I'm so mad because they didn't make me come with them with True. I said to my mommy, Dad, you went on vacation without me. How can you dare just don't want to take your 2 children?
going to school anymore because you guys.
Right. Hey everyone, hello, happy, what's today, Annie? Happy Sunday! If you are like us on the East Coast, you are melting because it's super hot outside. It's 90. Yesterday was ridiculous. Yesterday was 97, I think it got up to, and it was just a nasty mess. Like,
and mommy,
yes,
when I had school there and we were playing outside of recess,
it was hot, right?
yep, I was like gonna drip like a snowman.
Exactly, you were melting because I was melting. It was ridiculous. Right now we are headed to Annie's dance recital practice.
Yeah, and it's not that hot out today, but
it's getting there.
I know.
It's going to be hot today.
I know.
It's 80 something right now. But yeah, so she has a recital coming up. So they have one like full dress rehearsal dance through where they have to like actually like get their markers, know where they're gonna stand, all that stuff. So we're headed there now, and then we'll probably go by my mom's later. But yesterday we went to go to my brother's house to visit my new niece, Winnie. She's such a cutie. So we went there. We spent the day with them. So we went to their house. Annie was all over the baby. Every time Annie sees a baby, she acts like every baby is hers. She was all over that baby. That baby had no chance to breathe, to sit. Annie was just all over her. Anytime the baby made a noise, she was, oh, what happened? What's wrong? But they had a good time. It was fun. Also coming up is Annie's birthday. Go Annie, it's your birthday. Go Annie, it's your birthday. Go Annie, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Yeah, Chewy, it's your birthday. So that weekend of Annie's birthday is, first on Saturday is a dance recital. Sunday is gonna be her birthday party. Monday she has a move up day ceremony at school. And then Tuesday, we are going to the Bahamas!
Mommy.
So she's really excited about that because everyone's gonna go. We usually every year go somewhere for Annie's birthday, like our whole family, and we have a great time, and we're just gonna do a lot of fun. You're welcome.
Thank you.
We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff. So
Yeah, we are.
yeah, we're gonna have a good time. I'm excited for that. I know it's gonna be mermaid themed, so it's gonna be a amazing day.
Yeah.
Woo!
Trophy I got.
we're at my mom's house now, and the girls are playing in the sprinklers. It is so cute. Drew has on Annie's old swimsuit, and Annie is somewhere. I don't know. But they're having a good old school summer day. Guys, on the road yet again. I'm headed to meet my friend. She's in town. She moved down to Georgia, but she's in town for work, so I'm headed to meet her for brunch. And then after that, I'm just gonna go get Annie. Yeah, I didn't really do any vlogging the last few days because I've just been so down with like everything happening. The school shooting thing is just taking me out. Like, I could not even imagine like what those parents went through, and I've just been going on their social media pages just reading, and I just can't take it. I'm like torturing myself because I just keep looking, and it's just so sad, and I couldn't even imagine. So I didn't really do much vlogging. We were just kind of in the house, didn't really do much, but I had already scheduled this with her weeks ago, so we are headed to NOBU, and hopefully our meeting will pick up my spirits because I'm just so sad and it's terrible. But also she has never met True, so this is gonna be exciting. Look at Alex.
Oh my gosh, the happiest baby.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. See you on next week's vlog.